Let's dive into the world of Android security and a tool that's both fascinating and alarming. Evildriod. Evildriod is a framework built on Metasploit that automates creating backdoors for Android devices. It packages complex hacking steps into a simple, menu-driven interface, making advanced attacks accessible to almost anyone. The main goal? Generate a malicious APK, the file format Android uses for apps. Evildriod injects a payload into a legitimate-looking app, turning it into a Trojan that secretly connects back to the attacker. Attackers use social engineering, disguising the app as a game, utility, or update, to trick users into installing it. Once installed, the payload quietly opens a reverse connection, giving the hacker command line access to the device. This isn't just about stealing files, it's about total device takeover, contacts, texts, microphone, camera, and more. All it takes is one bad install, and your privacy is gone. Evildriod's simplicity is what makes it so dangerous. Let's see how attackers actually use it. Here's how a hacker uses Evildriod to build a malicious APK. They launch Evildriod, select the option to generate a payload, and choose Android meterpreter reverse TCP from Metasploit. Evildriod asks for two things: the attacker's IP address, lost, and a port number, L port. Next, the attacker decides how to disguise the payload. Embedding it into a real app is the most convincing method. Evildriod decompiles the legitimate APK, injects the payload, and recompiles it, making the app look and work just like the original. The attacker gives it a trustworthy name like freepremiumvpn.apk. With a few clicks, Evildriod spits out a weaponized APK, ready for distribution. The ease and speed of this process is what makes it so alarming. Now the attacker just needs to deliver the app to a victim. Let's see how they set the trap. The attacker's next move is setting up a listener, a program that waits for the infected device to connect back. Evildriod automates this too, launching Metasploit's MSF console and configuring it with the right IP and port. The listener runs in the background, ready to catch any device that installs the malicious APK. Now the attacker focuses on social engineering, sending the app via email, messaging, or shady app stores. A convincing message: check out this cool new photo editor. Can be all it takes. Once the victim installs and opens the app, the payload activates. The infected device reaches out to the attacker's listener, establishing a secret connection. The trap is sprung, and the attacker is in. With the listener active, the real damage begins. Here's what happens next. When the victim opens the app, the payload connects back to the attacker. Metasploit announces, meterpreter session opened. The attacker now has full interactive control of the device. They can run commands to gather info about the phone, download texts, contacts, and even two-factor codes. It gets worse. They can secretly stream video from the camera, record audio, and track the phone's location in real time. The attacker can browse files, steal photos, or upload more malware. This is a complete device compromise, done remotely, often without the victim ever knowing. For businesses or anyone facing a real attack, don't try to fix this alone. Get professional help. Email atomcybersecurities@igmail.com for trusted cybersecurity expertise today. But let's focus on how you can protect yourself from ever getting to this point. Here's what you need to know to stay safe. Let's wrap up with some essential tips. Evildriod shows just how easy it is to compromise an Android device. The best defense? Never install apps from untrusted sources. Stick to the official Play Store. Always check app permissions. If something seems off, uninstall immediately. Keep your device updated. Security patches, close vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. Consider a reputable mobile security app for extra protection. Knowledge is your best weapon. Understanding these attacks helps you avoid them. This isn't a hacking guide. It's a wake-up call to protect your digital life. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear it. Stay alert, stay secure, and don't let your guard down. Thanks for watching.